Welcome to the day one of 30-day coding. For the next 30 days, I'm going to solve problems from LeetCode, one problem per day. If you're interested in problem solving, do join me. Today we are going to solve this problem: convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. What are the conditions? If you take a look at the conditions, we can see that the 2D array should contain only the elements of the array, and each row in the 2D array contains distinct integers, so no integers can repeat in those rows, and the number of rows in the 2D array should be minimum. We need minimum number of rows in the 2D array. Now to solve this problem, at first we need to create our 2D array matrix equals to and we will keep the first element of our nums in the matrix 2D matrix as an existing member of the 2D array list 2D array, and we will also keep a row count that will check how many rows are created. Now what I'm going to do is to traverse to the input, our input nums, and we need to traverse it from 1 because we already added the 0 index element in our matrix, so we won't traverse that. Rather we will start our traversing from the index 1. Every time we are traversing in the nums array, we need to check the element from the nums array if it exists in our matrix or in our 2D array. If it doesn't exist in our 2D array, we will add it in the array. If it exists in 2D array, we will create a new row, so the new row will contain only the distinct integers. So we need to check if the element exists in our matrix. So for chain range count plus 1 if nums I not in matrix we will break the loop immediately when we append it. And to create a new array or create a new row in the matrix array, we need to keep a flag that will keep checking if the element exists in all row. If it doesn't exist in all row, we won't create a new row. And we'll change the flag to true here, and if is false, we'll create a new row. And after that we will return the our 2D array, and that's all. Let's run it. We don't have, okay, there are some syntax errors, and we also need to change the count to row count. We didn't increase our row count here. We need to increase our row count. 1, and this should work right now. Okay, let's submit. just accept it. Now if you like this video, do share, comment, and if you're interested in problem solving, then do join me in this journey. And again, if you know a better way to do these problems, do let me know, because I am not a pro coder or anything that, so I am also learning.